Hey Subi experts, my 2021 Subaru STI is making a weird sound from the back. I'm wondering what that sound is. If any of you know what that is, please let me know and put a comment. I drove the car last around noon and it's been 6 hours. It's been sitting like that. I didn't turn on the ignition. The access port is off, taken off the vehicle right now. And for the last 6 hours, I didn't drive it. So let me take you closer so that you can hear that sound. And if you know why it's making that sound, please leave a comment. Thank you very much.